We all enjoy a walk in the countryside, especially if we have a dog. But there's an unseen threat lurking in the long grass, and broadcaster and naturalist Chris Packham is on the case.
I've come along today to the University of Bristol's School of Biological Sciences to meet Professor Richard Wall, who's a veterinary parasitologist, and he has a great interest and knowledge in these things. Ticks. And we should also take some interest in these because they represent quite a serious threat to ourselves and in particular to our dogs. He's working on the Big Tick project and I've come to find out a lot more.
Ticks are blood parasites and their bite can cause Lyme disease in a range of animals including dogs and humans. Ticks are a growing threat in our countryside, and it's all too easy for us and our dogs to pick them up as we walk through bracken and long grass.
While we were out walking, Chaos picked up a tick that I didn't know about, and 18 months later, my dog was diagnosed with Lyme disease. For the 18 months it took to diagnose, it was heartbreaking. She had lumbar punctures and MRI scans. Heartbreaking.
One of the most difficult things with Lyme disease, it's actually quite difficult to diagnose. So people can be bitten by a tick, not even realise they've been bitten, and then start to get the clinical symptoms of Lyme disease and not really be aware that they've been bitten by a tick.
I didn't know that you could contract Lyme disease in the UK. I was aware of the disease, but always thought it was something that was unique to the United States. So it was actually my doctor who suggested to me, and then my medical records confirmed the times when I'd been to the surgery with the bites and the rashes and the summer flu and the various symptoms over the previous 4 years.
And that brings us to the Big Tick project. Tell me a bit about that.
Really what we want to know is what are the pathogens that are in the UK and how widespread are they? What ticks are there, what the likely risks are of being bitten, what the likely risks are of picking up a pathogen. And that requires data. So what we really want to do now is have a very large survey where we're getting vets across the country to inspect dogs at random and then check for those ticks, find them and then send them to us.
Ticks are not good news for us or our favourite pets. But the Big Tick project will help to raise awareness of the problem and make our countryside a safer place for us all.